Today, Rahul Gandhi addressed a large farmers' gathering in Bhopal and strongly criticized the India-US trade deal. The leader of opposition said the agreement could harm farmers and affect the country's interest. He claimed that the deal was made without proper discussion and transparency. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge was also present at the event. He demanded that the government share full details of the trade agreement and hold direct talks with farmers. Leaders said farmers from across Madhya Pradesh attended the meeting and expressed concern about their future. Some farmers admitted they do not know all the details of the deal but fear it may impact crop prices and markets. Farmers have asked the government to clarify the benefits or cancel the agreement. The issue is now turning into a major political debate. The cabinet led by Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav in Madhya Pradesh has taken several important decisions. The government approved changes in the rules of Administrative Unit Reorganization Commission. Now the chairperson must be a person with a strong administrative experience and qualifications. The chairperson will receive salary equal to a chief secretary along with allowances. The cabinet also approved 5 schemes under the Food Security and Nutrition Mission. An amount of Rs 3,285.49 crore has been sanctioned for 5 years starting April 1st. The government will promote the expansion of pulses, paddy, wheat and coarse grain to increase farm production in the state. A relative of former Chief Minister Uma Bharti has received a bomb threat in Tikamgarh district of Madhya Pradesh. Umita Rahul Rodhi, who is the district panchayat president and relative of Uma Bharti, filed a police complaint. She said that after posting on social media on February 21st, a user named GW Bijendra Kushwaha commented on a threat claiming they had a hydrogen bomb. Police have registered a case against unknown persons and started investigation. Security agencies are checking the social media account and trying to trace the accused. Officials say strict action will be taken. In Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh, a video has surfaced showing a BJP youth wing leader holding a policeman's collar during a protest. The incident happened on February 21st while party workers were burning an effigy of Rahul Gandhi. The BJP Yuva Morcha district president Neeraj Chaturvedi was seen in the video. After the video went viral, political reactions started from both sides. Opposition leaders criticized the act, calling it disrespectful to police. Authorities have said they are reviewing the video and action will be taken according to law. During the budget session of the Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav made key announcements. The government will celebrate the tribal festival Bhagoria as a national festival. Special agriculture cabinet meetings will be held in tribal districts like Barwani, Dhar and Jhabua. The state government also approved Rs 600 per quintal bonus on urad procurement to support farmers. For mustard, farmers' payment will be made under the Bhavantar scheme considering 71 lakhs ton production. The government expects a 28% rise in mustard production this year. In the Madhya Pradesh High Court, Justice Vishal Mishra has rescued himself from hearing the Som Distillery's petition. He directed the registrar to transfer the case to another bench. However, the judge did not mention any reason for stepping aside. Earlier also, he had rescued himself from hearing a case related to alleged illegal mining involving BJP MLA Sanjay Pathak. Legal experts say recusal is a normal judicial practice to maintain fairness and transparency. The matter will now be heard by another court bench soon. Preparations for Holi celebration are in full swing in Bhopal. The Shri Hindu Utsav Samiti has changed the date of the traditional Holi procession due to a lunar eclipse on March 3rd. Now the Grand Dhulandi procession will take place on March 4th. A delegation led by Chandrasekhar Tiwari submitted a memorandum to Collector Kaushalendra Vikram Singh requesting a local holiday on that day. Organizers say thousands of people are expected to participate. Authorities are making security and traffic arrangements for peaceful celebrations. A demand has been raised for a special session of the Municipal Corporation in Bhopal over the alleged beef issue at a modern slaughterhouse. BJP councillor Vilas Rao Khadke has written a letter to Mayor Malti Rai seeking strict action against those responsible. He said the issue is linked to religious faith, law and order and social harmony. Under the Municipal Corporation Act 1956, the mayor has the power to call a special meeting. Political tension has increased, and citizens are demanding clarity and strong action from authorities. Weather has changed again in Madhya Pradesh as rain has fallen for the fourth time this February. The Meteorological Department has issued alert for lightning, thunderstorm and hail in districts like Chhindwara, Sioni and Betul. Wind speed may reach up to 50 km per hour. Light thunderstorms are also expected in Ratlam, Ujjain, Balaghat, Mandla, Khandwa, Sihor, Raisen, Indore, Anuppur and Dindori. Farmers are worried about crop damage due to sudden weather change. Officials have advised people to stay indoors during lightning and follow safety instructions.